Today, SPAAR has teamed up with Meals from the Heart, and this is our way of giving back to the community, where we will be packing about 25,000 meals for food-challenged individuals in the community.
This is the big moment. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pack! Go.
Well, just giving the chance for 3,800 families to have security, to be able to kind of go home and have one less thing to worry about is insane. Like, I don't know of a better way to give back than that.
I think that's amazing that we were able in that short amount of time to feed that many people, to put that many meals together. It's pretty amazing. As a child, I often relied on the food shelf to my family did, and so it's a great way to be able to give back.
People are still in need, and we see it a lot in the news, and this is a way that I can come and give back during my day to a local cause.
It's a good way to spend an afternoon away from work. This was during my lunch hour, so it's like, all right, this will work, you know? It's better than going to Chipotle, I can tell you that.
The organization is they've got their ducks in a row, and it made it very easy. We got to interact with different people, and it was smooth, it was efficient, and that's what makes it worthwhile.